Now we will discuss about the animal tissue.
Muscular tissues are the soft tissues which enable the movement of body parts in living organisms. They are divided into three types: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Tap on each to learn more.
The function of the skeletal muscle is then location, function of cardiac muscle, location,
Epithelial tissues form the covering lining of the whole surface of the body. They are divided into 5 categories: squamous, cuboidal, columnar, stratified squamous, and glandular tissues. Tap on each category to learn more.
function of the epithelium tissue is then cuboidal tissue, structure, function, and then location. This is the structure, function, then next structure, then function, then location. Then next tissue, structure, function, then location.
Nervous tissue consists of 2 types of cells: nerve cells or neurons, and neuroglia or simply glia. You will learn about these in the subsequent screens.
Look. These are the about neurons.
Connective tissues are the group of tissues that maintain the form of a body by supporting, connecting, or separating different types of tissues and organs in the body. Connective tissues include areolar tissue, fibrous dense tissue, bone tissue, cartilage tissue, adipose tissue, and blood tissue. Tap on each to learn more about them.